Well, that was a shit night's sleep. Must have got about 4 hours if I were lucky. But we're next to the river. We're up at Braemar, quite high up Scotland. I'll show you a view out my car window. So the river's down there. Yeah, we're at a big suspension bridge. And we're going to be getting on down there. So it's looking like it's a good level. So we're off. We're on the Royal Dee. And what a beautiful morning it is. Nice levels, looking gorgeous. We're up above Balmoral. We're a place called Braemar. Well, above Braemar. And first paddle strokes. So no Billy on this trip. Me and my lad Jack. So Jack's a very experienced paddler. So I've done my first year myself. But it's looking good, isn't it, Jack?
It is.
Left?
Yeah.
How much left?
About 2 meters left.
2 meters left? Ah shit, we're going through it. Sorry mate.
No, you're alright.
So we're straight in. And our fella scrout line up from the start. The Royal Dee is a beautiful river with rapid after rapid, with constant entertainment. It's not a river where you can chat too much and let your guard down. You've constantly got to be looking for what's ahead of you, but it's an absolute gorgeous river. It's up there, a little bit showing through mist. Beautiful. So it's good to be back on this river. It must be 14 years or so since we were on it, something like that. A lot of different levels, but yeah, no, it's good to be back on it. On this trip there's no support, there's just the two of us, which always adds a little extra dimension to it. These adventures with your kids are precious, and I'm lucky to share plenty of adventures with my kids. Don't matter how old they are, they're still always your kids. And like I say, time's precious. We're not guaranteed tomorrow, so we've got to make the most of every single one of them. Yeah. 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 I'm going to drop in below that rock. Look at the colours, absolutely amazing. Well, straight ahead now. We make good time with fast flows. Which way? Shit! Whoa! Oh, first dinner stop, first brew stop. It's been a cracking morning, and tell you what, that baler's come in handy because there's a bit of water in it and there's some decent wave trains, one rapid after the other constant, so we've smashed a good few K already, but it's you know, it's shifting. So anyway, let's get a brew on and get warmed up. Okay, lad.
Bit chilly.
You warming your hands?
Yeah.
So I'm not going to be filming every rapid or because it's quite consistent, this river. You'd have hours and hours and hours of footage, and it gets boring anyway, doesn't it? So I'll just film the odd little bit just to get a feel for it. But yeah, it's lovely at the minute. We've smashed a few K already in no time. Temperatures start to drop as the rain front moves in and the wind's starting to pick up slightly, but it's still absolutely beautiful. Go right to that big boulder at the bottom. Go on there, go left it up. Definitely have to do a bit of bailing now. Kneeling up or standing up if you're confident is a great way to see what's coming around the next bend or over the next horizon. Yeah.
It's getting to that time of day when we're going to start looking for a campsite, a decent campsite.
Gonna be our camp tonight. I'm at Bangor Banshee. Got a tarp set up in the middle. So we're right next to the river. River's down there. Hopefully it's not going to come up too much tonight. There's a bit of a storm due. So tarp set up. Probably put the canoe across back here. Have a little fire at the front there. Obviously remove Jack's dry suit first. And Jack's set up. Got his little out kit. You like that tent, Jack?
Yeah, it's good. It's an extra long, so it's
Yeah.
alright when you.
So he's got the soloist XL because he's about 6'3" or something like that, or 6'4", so it's ideal. Got that little bit more room.
It's a bit hard work getting in and out of. Not got
Yeah.
much of an awning,
Yeah.
but it's packed down small and it's
Yeah.
you know, it does the job
Up
anyhow.
at mountains, if you put it right, it's quite aerodynamic in it.
Yeah, but no, it does the job anyway.
Time for camp prep for an evening of cooking and sitting round the campfire.
We've not seen anyone else on river, and I think there's a bit of a storm due tonight, a bit of rain coming in, quite a lot of rain apparently. It's going to drop in this catchment area. I mean, it's been a good level today. It's them bailers have come in handy. It's been on it, you know, all the way down. You've had to, you know, you've not been able to let your guard down, and that's at the level it is today. So yeah, I'm not going to lie, it's going to be interesting tomorrow if it comes up a fair bit. Yeah. I'm ready for my pit today though. I'm knackered after to drive up and what have you, and I didn't get much kit last night. So, well, yeah, we've opted to get off before dark, make sure we've got a decent campsite and we can get sorted, some good scran and whatever. The trouble is, it's quite an hefty rapid. It's going to be first thing tomorrow, and like I say, there's a lot of rain due, so we'll have to see. Yeah, all good fun, all part of the adventure, innit? Nice bit of curry. Looks good, that, doesn't it? Bit of naan bread as well. Right, banging that. Got a bit of a kick to it. Even Aunt survived the night would be happy with this. He likes a bit of hot food. Really nice. I'm having a nightmare. The Bangor Banshee is leaking in. It's literally running in along that end seam. I've got a puddle underneath my mat, and yeah, it's not ideal, is it? So decisions. Bloody hell. It's had to make an hard decision really. The river's come up a good metre overnight. and I mean it's tanking, which is bloody lovely if you're in you know, a canoe with airbags in, solo canoe with big airbags, or even two of you with airbags and no gear. But I mean, as it is travelling fully laden, two big lads and all kit and everything, we've been shipping a fair bit of water in, even taking good lines yesterday. We did about 30k, fantastic, but there's some big wave trains further down here, some you know, quite spicy rapids with this amount of water in. It's one of them. Do we soldier on? It's just the possibility of with no backup. There's only me and Jack on here today. We've not got time to sit it out till the water drops down again, or else we just sit here for a day and chill out, drinking coffee and eating food and chilling. We've got to either get on or get off. If we get on, and we do, there's a good chance that we're gonna take a swim really somewhere down there. There's a lot of weight in this boat. It's tree lined. It's not easy access to the banks. The water's running fast, very fast. We'd end up, you know, there's a bloody good possibility we're going to lose the canoe. It's not like we've got backup. It's not like we've got a car we can run up to and jump in car and chase, drive down road to the next bridge and try and get the canoe as it comes through and then keep chasing it down. Once it goes, it's gone. It's going to sea at Aberdeen. We all with kit. So, you know, I've got the car keys round my neck, etc. We can jump on a bus back to get car, but the boat's gone without gearing. We've no buddies to chase it or anything like that. Nobody else to put up any protection. We're running it solo. So, yeah, we've had to make the call. It's a bit of a shit call, and you always second guess yourself and beat yourself up a bit and pet your own head. Jack could have got on and run it, but he's a solid grade 5 kayaker, and he's no fear. But I mean I'm alright. I'm not. But I'm just losing the kit and all that hassle that comes with it. So we had a good adventure yesterday. Smashed a good 30k a river, you know, and top camp, etc. We're going to call it quits. We're going to jump off the river. It's going to be a bit of a ball ache, but we're going to have to walk. One of us is going to have to go and catch bus. Well, Jack, he's set off already. I'm going to break camp. Yeah, that's it. That's the call. But hey, you win some, you lose some. Yeah, you might regret the decision. I don't know. Maybe not. But yeah. But I'd have been pissed off if we had we would have swamped. There's no doubt about it. We'd have swamped a few times. It's whether we manage to get to the bank, but it's running that fast with a swamp canoe. You're likely to be over, and you know, we're prepped for it. We're kitted out for it. There's throw lines both ends, long throw lines, so you can get out, swim to the bank, run up the bank, wrap your throw line round the tree, and swing the boat in. But it's just getting out of the bank, you know, because it's in the trees at the minute. We're out getting yourself pinned on a tree and in the shit. So it's a call, whether it's a good call or not, I don't know, who knows. Yeah, what do you think? But anyway, be right, won't it? See you in a bit.
Time to chill, as I left the seasoned hitchhiker that he is, Jack, to thumb a couple of lifts all the way back to the car. Not quite what we wanted to achieve, but a fantastic adventure all the same, in a beautiful part of Scotland. Thanks for joining us. We'll catch you soon. See you in a bit.